Hello everyone, my name is Grashka, I'm the Pokemon card collector. On today's video we got Lost Origin Triple Booster Pack. Right, just open and have a look what got inside. Three booster packs. Code card for you guys. Promo card. And one metallic coin. Right, start to open it. I will try to upload at least 2 or 3 videos every week. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button for upcoming videos. Code card. Reverse hollow and hollow one. Oh, nice. Never pulled that one before. Next one. Code card for you guys. Reverse hollow Lost City and non-hollow one. And the last one. Code card. Reverse hollow and non-hollow. Oh, so not only one hollow one card from this pack and that promo card. Right, if you like the video, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching it. See you on the next one.